Toronto is one of Canada's most active business hubs, powered by industries that depend on technology every day. From finance and healthcare to manufacturing, construction, and professional services, operations across the city rely on secure systems, connected infrastructure, and reliable IT support. As Erez Zevulunov, CEO of M.I.T Consulting explains, IT can't be the thing slowing growing businesses down. It needs to stay stable, secure, and easy to manage as organizations scale. Across Toronto's top industries, the challenges are often the same: rising cybersecurity pressure, compliance expectations, hybrid work complexity, and systems that can't afford downtime. Even small disruptions can affect client trust, productivity, and daily performance. That's why more organizations are adapting with cloud-first infrastructure, stronger security monitoring, standardized collaboration tools, and proactive planning. Managed IT plays a key role by reducing risk, improving uptime, simplifying vendor management, and providing strategic guidance that aligns technology with business outcomes. The takeaway is clear: no matter the industry, stable IT is now core infrastructure. Businesses that invest in reliability and security today are better positioned to grow without constant disruption. If you want to learn more, check out the full article on our website. And don't forget to add this podcast to your playlist for easy access anytime.